Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this equation. So we solve it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we solve this equation. So first we solve numerator. Numerator is minus 6 plus 9 multiplied by 5 and the denominator is 3. So first we solve numerator. Minus 6 plus 9 multiplied by 5 and the denominator is 3. So equation become minus 6 according to the rule. Now we have one subtraction, one addition, and one multiplication. So according to the rule, first we solve multiplication, then we solve addition or subtraction. So the equation become minus 6. 9 times 5 they give us plus 45 divided by 3. And minus 6 plus 45 they give us plus 39 over 3, and 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3, so they give us 13. So the final answer is 13. Thanks for watching.